Hello everyone, welcome back to Thomas on YouTube, and today I'm gonna do something really special. Do you guys know Star Wars movie? Well, I love Star Wars. When I first watched the movie, I really liked the characters such as in the light side, Anakin or Obi-Wan, Luke, Rey, some kind of stuff, and in dark side, such as Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Darth Sidious, and Darth Tyrannus, aka Count Dooku, some kind of stuff. But most of the thing I really loved is the lightsaber, the weapon of the Jedi and the Sith they used, to cut and slaughter people or to protect the galaxy, some kind of stuff. But when I watched the movie, I saw in like some part of the movie, there is some bar scenes that where like Jedis or Sith go to the bars for have some drink. So in YouTube, there are some bar scenes. In Star Wars, there are some bar scenes such as this. 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 This.
Place your bets on the table right now.
I watched on YouTube about the Baby Yoda cocktail. There are some guys who made this cocktail like this.
He crafted the Baby
This.
And there you have it, the Baby Yoda.
This. And this.
Now, using the same...
The Baby Yoda Cocktail.
So I'm gonna make a Baby Yoda cocktail. I'm gonna make 4 versions. First, I'm gonna make a just basic style like I know, and second, I'm gonna make second, third, and fourth, I'm gonna make a Korean style of Baby Yoda cocktail. Maybe this is the first video that the Koreans make this. So let's make one. So we have our ingredients such as sparkling water, orange juice, and mountain berry Powerade, and also some juice and lemon stuff and some Korean traditional juices. So let's make one. First, I'm gonna make a basic one. And first, what you're gonna do? Wait a minute, where's the okay? What you'll need to do is put a little bit of lemon, because if you pour more, it's some kind of not that tasty one. So let's just put her like this should do it. And don't forget to do this. If it don't spill out the juice. So what you'll need to do next is get the orange juice. Oh, wait. Sorry. You need to put this thing out. Okay. Pour the orange juice. That should do it. And again, don't forget to do this. And then, mountain berry Powerade. And good tip, mountain berry Powerade can be also used as some kind of Star Wars juice, such as hyperdrive, some kind of stuff. In Galaxy's Edge in California. Wait a minute, sorry. This thing. Done. So let's pour this. It's become like a Yoda style. Okay. Again, don't forget to unlock this. And then, this thing is heavy. This is the sparkling water. This thing is inside such as cola and some kind of juices. I love this sound. Okay. Good. Because this is a sparkling water, you can see some sparkles up here. Again, don't forget to unlock this. And then, finally, we need to put some kind of other juice stuff. Man, how did this... Done. So this is... Wait a minute, just a little more. So this is the basic version of the Baby Yoda cocktail, and let's shake this. Again, if you're going to shake this, unlock it a little bit more harder than this stuff. If you don't unlock it harder, it will spill out in this tiny holes. So yeah, this should do it. Let's shake it. It kind of feels like Yoda. Shit, yeah. Because this is... Oh shit, I need to put this thing. The bottle, like so. Yeah, so we have the basic style. This left one here. Okay, so second version, the Korean style. Yeah, I love this Korean one. So again, pour the orange juice here. Yeah, let's just pour it all. And then, oh wait, we need to put this one first, but that wouldn't change the flavor of this thing here. Yeah, that should do it. Let's put it right here, and oh, what is this? Oh no, let's just do this one first. Yeah, it's kind of okay. So this is the Korean traditional juice named Omija. Omija in O means for 5, so Mija, mi is me for like a flavor. So this juice's name's meaning is 5 flavored juice. So let's just put it here. Feel the power of the dark side light. Just feel it. I think this is the dark side juice. The color is. So then, what you need to do is put this thing here, like so. Oh yeah, the color is coming up. Are they? Okay. And what you need to do next is pour the sparkling water again. Be careful. Yeah. Yeah. So again, let's shake this one. Again, unlock this much more harder than these ones. Yeah. Let's shake it. Yeah, this should do it. Are they coming out again? Okay, they don't spill out. Okay. Good tip. Don't pour the sparkling water more over like this height. If you do it this height, the juice will come out, as I did in this one. Let's pour this one here. Oh, can I over pour this? No. Okay, so this one, I don't know how to name this one. Let's just name this when we make all of this. Yeah. Okay guys, so the third one, what we're going to make is, again, pour the lemon. Again, pouring the lemon drop first is the good one. Yeah, this should do it. It's kind of sour. Put this thing here. Okay, so the second one. Again, pour the orange juice. Now, we've already used the one bottle on these two, so okay, so let's put this thing out. The fresh new one. Like so. Again, don't forget to unlock this. And the third one, yeah, this is the cinnamon. This juice is made of the cinnamon and ginger. Yeah. Smells good. Let's pour this one. I'm curious, this thing doesn't change any color. And then what we're gonna do is this offer? This offer? Nah, it doesn't do it. So let's put the sparkling water first. Be careful with the coronavirus these days. Done. It should sparkle. Okay, so lastly, what you're gonna need to do is put this. I don't know what to say this in English. Okay. As I told you before, don't over pour this like so, because it'll spill out all the juice. Shit. Sorry. Again, like so. Curious thing about this one here, it doesn't change the color. It's just a orange color. It should do it. Oh, it's sparkling. Stop it for a while, like 5 seconds, and now. Again, it did not spill. Yeah. But it smells different. Okay, so we got a third one here. Okay, so the last one, it's not filled, it's empty. So the last one is this one right here, which is the green plum juice. So, as same as these three. Let's start with the lemon drop right here. Oh yeah, I just forgot. Move this one here. Don't smell this. It's sour. Okay. Korean beet. Okay. Staying here, and then again orange juice. Just this one. I need to get more oranges at the market. And next, what was the next one? Oh yeah, the green plum juice. I wonder if this thing changes color. Oh, this thing changes color a little bit. Yeah, this thing changes color a little bit, like more darker. This thing is just the same color, but this thing is more darker. Again, unlock this. Yeah, bottle clenching sound. Okay, again, use sparkling water. Yeah, it's the sparkling water. Like so. And then, yeah, this one. Oh, I feel this will gonna spill out. Perfect. All done. Okay. And then we need to unlock this harder because I over the length of the juice. Okay. Let's shake this. Okay, this should do enough. I think this will spill out for it. I think this should spill out for a bit. Nope. They don't. Let's pour this thing. Like so. Yeah, so we got our 4 juice all together. Okay, so all 4 juices finished. Yeah, first I'm gonna smell this one. Yeah, this thing smells good, like the Baby Yoda version. This thing, I can't tell what flavor is this. This smells tasty. And this one, it smells kind of weird, but it's supposed to be weird because it's Star Wars food. Wait a minute, it doesn't have any smell. Oh, it does have smell. It's like kind of some American juice stuff. So these two smell taste, especially this one. And this one, it tastes weird. I mean, it's supposed to be tasty weird because it's Star Wars food. And this one is smell like in some American juice. So what I'm gonna do is taste them all. So let's drink Baby Yoda version first. Again, maybe the uploading date will be my birthday, so I'm gonna drink this as congrats on my birthday. Yeah, it smells good. I think the children will like this one also. This thing tastes tasty, as I know this. So I think adults and children will both like this one. Okay, so the next red one here with the 5 flavor juice, also known as Omija. I forgot to tell this. This thing Powerade, this thing Omija, and third one here with the is this one with the ginger. This one is the ginger and cinnamon, and this one here is the green plum. Yeah, it's like okay. So I'm gonna taste this one because I've already tasted it. Unlike the smell, this thing tastes weird because it's supposed to be tasting weird because it's Star Wars food again. So the third one, cinnamon and ginger. This thing really tastes weird. Yeah, because it's Star Wars food. But I like it because it's Star Wars. And lastly, this one here with the what was this again? Oh, the green plum. Oh, this thing is tasty. Yeah, but unlike this one, those who don't like the tasty stuff don't like this one. Yeah. So yeah, that was all the juice. So these two is tasty and these two taste weird, unlike the smell. So as ranking this one is the best, and second I'm gonna be choosing from these two. Okay. At the first ranking is this one, and second is both this one, cause I cannot choose this. And third one is this. Yeah, best one is this one, as the color and this thing. So guys, before the end, I'm gonna have something to tell you guys. So as I made these versions, so how about making your guys' own version and letting me on the comments below with your own version. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to the Tamashi on YouTube, and I'm gonna see you in the next time. Bye bye. Also, happy birthday to me. Yeah. Bye bye.